We're not talking about hash brown patties, and we're not talking about SpongeBob, Krabby patties. We're talking about Jamaican patties.
What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah.
Very interesting. Suddenly I got an urge for Jamaican patties. I got an idea. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'll be having a Jamaican patty mukbang. So, when Jamaicans talk about patties, we're not talking about hash brown patties, we're not talking about the hamburger patties. No, we're talking about this here. It's a Jamaican patty. Essentially, it's a pastry with a filling inside, and that filling most time varies from meats to vegetables. So with me today, I have some patties from the Jamaican Patty Shack. They're a Jamaican patty store that's located here in town, and I'll put the link right on the screen. This is the cocoa bread. This is just a bread. Usually Jamaicans have patties with cocoa bread. So I got ackee, I got spicy beef, mild beef, curry chicken, and vegetables. So I'm gonna try them all. So let's see. So again, a patty, a Jamaican patty, is a pastry with a filling, and outside of that pastry is essentially just flour. So this is the flour, and then inside is the filling, whether it be ground beef. It's usually ground beef, chicken, callaloo, ackee. These callaloo and ackee, these are not so popular. They're like more exotic. And ackee is the Jamaican national dish. So if you don't know ackee, you can research it. When ackee is cooked, it kind of has a texture like a scrambled egg. All right, so let's go. Ackee patty. So inside the filling, it's ackee and salted fish. Jamaican national dish is ackee and salted fish, or codfish, saltfish. All right.
Darn delicious.
I'm gonna tell you guys now, this is absolutely my favorite. And I'm a bit biased because I really love akis. So I'm gonna try a bit of sauce on it. I got this from these guys from the Patty Shack. Pepper sauce. You don't need this on your patty, but I'm just being, I got this as a gift. Whoa, oh no, too much, too much. There's no way I can do so much. Oh yeah. The sauce got away. Look at that. Wow, too hot. But here's the ackee. It's a fruit but it just look and tastes like scrambled egg when it's prepared. Alright, so the ackee patty, that was amazing. Like I said, it's a texture like scrambled egg. Texture and taste similar to scrambled egg. So here's a callaloo. See that? It's a callaloo. Alright. The sauce is really hot. I'm not going to put any more on my patties. Very good. This is my first meal since day. Well, I had fruits this morning. Jamaican callaloo, if you don't know what that is, that's a vegetable. It's a greens. It's kind of similar to kale, but it's not kale. The taste is different. It's similar. That's the best I can say it. Take a bite. Wow. Wow. If you love curry and you love Jamaican patties, then picture a curry chicken Jamaican patty. This is not your everyday patty. Look, guys. Wow. Look at that. That's your curry chicken inside of a Jamaican patty shell. Like I said in the beginning, the filling inside your patty can absolutely be almost anything. You know, it depends on your creativity. Well, you won't find a curry chicken patty at any random store. And you won't find an ackee patty at any random store or a callaloo patty. What you usually find is the beef, spicy or mild. So here, guys, I'm sharing all the good stuff with you. Oh, curry chicken inside a patty. Oh my. Wow. Wow. That was amazing. Take a little drink. Just so you know, guys, this can was properly washed down before I put it to my mouth. It was washed down with soap and water. Alright, because I know I was going to put it at my mouth. No straw. Alright, just like I was explaining, you see that? That's a ground beef. Ground beef inside of a Jamaican patty. I'm not going to cut it because it's just breaking up every time I try to cut it. So, inside your veggie patty, we have like corn, green peas, and carrots. I'm sure about those three things. There might be something else, I'm not sure what it is, but I can identify the corn, green peas, and carrots. It's like a vegetable mix, right? Have you ever tried Jamaican patties? Please let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried Jamaican patties. And again, we're not talking about patty inside of a hamburger. We're not talking about hash brown patties. And we're not talking about SpongeBob Krabby patties. We're talking about Jamaican patties right here with Rico. Let me know which one is your favorite. This is a bread. It's called a cocoa bread, and you put the patty inside, and there you go. That's like a patty sandwich. I wonder why they call this cocoa bread. Was it made from cocoa? I'm not sure. So there it is, your patty and cocoa bread. And it's a beef patty inside. Next time you go to Jamaica, once you land in the airport, just after checking out, go to the closest store. There will always be a patty shop inside your Jamaican airport. So ask for a patty and a cocoa bread. And this is what you'll get. The cocoa bread with the patty inside. How's your day going, guys? What's your plans for today? What's on the menu for dinner or lunch? So ackee and saltfish is my favorite. The curry chicken is unique. If you absolutely love curry chicken, then that one is also, unique. There are also seafood patties, but not here. I don't have any of those. Absolutely anything can be inside as your filling, and that depends on your creativity. You can do this at home, use whatever filling you want. So I got a box of patties, and there were 12 inside, and there's no way I'm gonna eat all 12 in one sitting. This was just for the looks. I stacked some patties here. I attempted a few, but for some strange reason, I'm already full. I'm not quite sure why. Please let me know in the comments below if you have ever had Jamaican patties. Also, please let me know which one is your favorite. And if you've never had Jamaican patties, just try and search. Usually some grocery stores will bring it here in Ontario. You'll get the popular ones, like I said, those are like the beef. You can get these in the grocery store in the frozen food section. Alright, so please let me know which one is your favorite. And for those who have had it, when was the last time you had Jamaican patty? And when was the last time you had Jamaican patty with cocoa bread? You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah man. Jamaican patties mukbang. And I'm introducing various variety of Jamaican patties to you guys. So again, thank you so much for tuning in.